Can you actually start the engine on a pallet like this if you just add the ECU and the fuel?
On the one, it's more a little difficult on this, but
Okay.
Toyota's a little easier.
Oh, I see, I see. Time to pop these boys out. So what's that? That's the compression gauge?
Yeah.
260. And then the other cylinders. Do you check all of them or just one? Check all four. So what does good compression mean? Does that mean that the engine's completely healthy, or could you still have good compression and have
You could
issues?
You tell a lot of mostly that it's a good engine, but you got to do a leak down test also.
What is a leak down test?
Down test would tell you more about the leaks, mostly head gasket, you know. But you can really not tell. Let's say it has a good compression, but it could have a slightly rod knock also, you know. But you can't really tell.
Oh.
To really tell it everything, you have to really fire it.
Fire it up. Have you ever swapped an engine and then realized it's a dud?
I never did it myself. But